Hello everybody! Today we are going to start week 9 of our hybrid biology class. This week we are going to continue our unit on the structure and functions of the many classes of organic molecules. We are also going to continue our discussion of enzymes. Just some reminders, the quarter ends on Friday, March 13th. That is tomorrow. All makeup work needs to be in by then. Your report cards will be going out Wednesday next week. Just a few reminders. Be on the lookout for announcements and important things in the stream. Make sure you check your emails. Sometimes issues come up with assignments like bad links, frequently asked questions, typos, and then if these come up, I will alert you with the message in the stream, and you should also get an email whenever I post something in the stream. Make sure you're doing attendance trackers. Make sure you do them on their due date, not the day before, not the day after. And be taking notes as we go through the unit. This week, we are going to review the different functions and structures of the different macromolecules. We'll talk about enzymes some more. We will model how enzymes work. And we'll talk about something called denaturation, which is basically something will happen to make the enzyme not work anymore. Here's the agenda for the week. No class on Wednesday because of Veterans Day. That's why you're getting this agenda today instead. On Friday the 13th, if you are in cohort A, you're going to be doing the carbs, lipids, and proteins concept map activity. Make sure you do the attendance tracker. I think it would be really smart for you to review last week's Edpuzzle on the different organic molecules. Either have it open and play the video on a separate tab as you are working on the concept map, or watch it before. It's just going to be a helpful review. Or if you have your notes, you can have those in front of you as well to do the concept map. There's a video with the directions for how to complete the concept map and a few examples. And then play bingo on your own to review and reinforce all that crazy vocabulary for organic molecules. In class, we are going to review what we talked about last week on enzymes, and we will do the toothpick haze activity. And we will also play bingo in class for even more review of those organic molecule terms. Cohort B, you're going to be doing the same thing. Just we're going to be talking about enzymes the day before, and you're going to be doing the concept map on Tuesday next week. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, please send me an email.